and the electrical signals are vectors. ايش يعني vectors؟ يعني something that possess a magnitude and direction. If we have this is x and this is y, then we have this is the zavia, the angle, and we have v1, this is 1, this is 2, and the magnitude, say we have here the magnitude is 3, then we could represent this by a, e, j, phi as a vector magnitude and phase, or 3 e minus j phi. Well, in this case we have here imaginary, y is imaginary, and this is real axis. So if we have these are called phasors هون, phasors OR, phasors. An example of vectors مثلا عندنا بطارية هون 3 فولت وهون بطارية 3 فولت. Then the result is 6 volt and هون 6 volt. So this is a vector. On the other hand, if we have temperature on 90 or on 60, then the temperature, we can't add temperature, so it's a scalar. So we get the average temperature. Basically, that's the difference between, well, for a DC current, this is DC, so the angle is 0. And we have this, if we have, like, for example, a signal this way, ut, and we sum it with another signal, this is a summer, this is ut minus 2, so the sum is ut plus this is minus, so this is minus on it. This is ut minus 2. If we sketch it, then we get this. We add them point by point. We have this is ut, AUT, on and minus ut, at delay of minus 2, on minus 2. So if we sketch, we add these point by point. This point starts here. So we have 0, Z0, 1, Z0, 1, Z0, 1, Z0 until we reach 2. So we get 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0 at minus 2, so end up all zeros here for this step function. So this is the resultant, or so we call it xt إذا بدك, اللي هي هاي للsum. If we have another signal, say xt تساوي delta t minus 2 plus مثلا delta t 2 delta t minus 2, then we have the signal will be 1 زائد 1 3. Okay, on a t, on a xt. 1 زائد 2 سوري هاي 2 وهنا 1 so بس 3 بجمعهم نقطة نقطة. Okay. Even if we have sinusoidal signal this way and another sinusoidal signal this way, then we add them point by point. And maybe they look like this way. T, ممكن if we have many signals, ممكن it looks like this way. Okay, this is xt, the sum of all signals. جمع هذول كلهم النتيجة بتكون زي هيك. شكرا.